Hello everyone. The tool I'm going to show you is called emaze. It is an online presentation creator that can be used to build and edit presentations on any personal computer without the need to use PowerPoint in case you don't have Microsoft Office. It is easily accessed from anywhere with internet connection and can easily be shared. The best reason for using it is that it has many ready-made templates with visually compelling and engaging designs that don't look like a typical PowerPoint presentation. Those templates are beautiful and can be edited and easily adapted to your needs. So let's see how it's done. We go to emaze.com and we need to sign up or log in if we already signed up. We can use it. You sign up through Facebook or Google, or just use email address and password. Let's log in and see where it takes us. And this is the home page. Initially, this tool was used only for presentations, but they have added more features which I'll show you later. When you're logged in, you can see 4 tabs on the top part of the page. The first one is Home, which shows the various options you can do with this tool. Under My, you'll find a list of the presentation you already created. Under Shared, you'll find presentations which others are collaborating with you. And under Explore, you'll find interesting presentations created by others. You can start there in order to pick up some good ideas and get inspired. So let's start by creating new presentation. You can either go to Home and click on Create New, or you can go to My and click on Create New Emaze. There's another option to upload your already made PowerPoint presentation, and you can upload it to the website and upgrade its look and apply some features that emaze can offer to make it look very nice. So click on Create New, and we'll be presented with few options that the website can offer. We'll choose Presentation, and there are basic templates such as PowerPoint offers, or more sophisticated 3D virtual worlds template. We can see a short view of the template when we click on the preview button. If we click here, it will show us the template and the pages that it has to offer. You can see how slick and smooth the transitions are and how it's beautifully made. Things that PowerPoint can't offer us. On the left side part, you can see the different categories which help in limiting the options you have to choose from, because there are so many. Let's go to Education and see what is there to offer. If we click here, for example, on Preview, we can see that it shows us on any page it has a suggestion where to put the title, where to put the subtitle. We can change the background color. We can change the image that it gives. Here we can introduce the new idea. And this is a good slide for explaining an important idea. So you can see they help us very much with creating the presentation very quickly and in a very nice way. So let's see how it's done when we want to create a new presentation. Let's take this template that I already used. We click on Edit, And this template is like a newspaper format with different articles on its page. We can add the different basically the different articles are the different parts of our presentation, and here under add we have a gallery with the various articles we can choose from and change according to our needs. We already got a first one, and we can change it. We can mark the title, edit it, change the image, change this text, change the ways they are, the positions they are, their locations on the article, for example, like this one. And I can go to add and add more types of articles. We'll add another one. And of course each page will need to adapt and change to our needs. We have the option to change the font, the size of the text, the color. Here we can add the images and even video clips. It is automatically saved every few minutes if we don't save it, and we can download it to our computer and share it with others. I want to show you the one that I did in order for you to see how it looks. Let's click here on view. This is the first article, which introduces the topic of capitalization. Then we have rule number 1. It pauses for a few seconds, then it moves automatically to the second section of the newspaper, the presentation. Rule number 2. Rule number 3. It's highly adaptable to whatever you need, and it looks very, very nice. I really recommend working with this tool. As I said before, this website was initially for presentations, but they added more options. So if we go to home and create new, we can see that you can also build a website with this tool. You can open up a blog, you can create a photo album, or create an e-card. I haven't used those options yet, but according to the easy to how easy it is to create a presentation, I'm sure it will be as easy as the presentations to create website and blogs. And I really recommend trying this website. And in general, don't be afraid to use new tools and enrich your teaching methods in order to engage your students. Thank you.